Welcome to qasimcad YouTube channel. In this tutorial, I am going to show you how to make dipping effect in Adobe Photoshop. Open new image, select the magic selection tool, and then click on Select Object. Copy the background layer. Go to Select tab and click on Inverse. Press Ctrl X, remove the extra part. Go to Edit and select Transformation. Now adjust the image size. Select Crop tool and crop the extra cams. Select the magic selection tool, press Ctrl and click on the first layer. Create new mask layer. Copy and paste the dipping effect image on the cams. Select white part of the image with Magic Selection tool. Select the mask layer, turn the dipping effect image off. Select Brush tool on the toolbar, make sure foreground color is black, remove the extra part. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment if you have any question.